Hi, I'm Tom Bassett, and in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use Flow Integration, formerly MuleSoft Composer, to create a lead when a new row is added into a Google Sheet. To get started, head to Composer Flows and press on New Flow. I want this action to fire upon something happening within a system, so I'm going to choose System Event. From here, I'm going to choose Google Sheets as my system. I'm going to give this a display name and then press connect. Once I'm connected, I will get a confirmation message like this. So now that I've selected Google Sheets as my trigger, I can choose what event should start this flow. In this case, I want the new row event to start the flow. I'm now going to choose my spreadsheet, and I also need to select the worksheet as well. Now that I've defined my trigger, I want to set a system action to create a lead within Salesforce. I'm going to choose my default Salesforce connection I created earlier, and I want to select create a new record, and then under objects, I want to select the lead object. From here, I want to map first name as well as the default fields. So I'm going to select that and press apply. And then from here, I need to define mappings between Google Sheets and Salesforce. So I'm going to map my company row, my last name row, and my first name row. Now that that's done, I'm going to press save and give my flow a name. Once my flow is saved, I am going to activate it. Now that my flow has been made active, I'm going to switch to Google Sheets to try this out. So now in Google Sheets, I'm going to enter my first name, last name, and my company as TomForce92. And then I'm going to wait for that to save. That's now saved. And now I'm going to switch back to Salesforce and check out the leads tab. From here, I'm going to switch over to today's leads, and you can now see that that lead has been successfully created from my Google Sheet. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and add any feedback in the comments. Thanks.